Volaris 9105.
Volaris 9105, go ahead.
We are at Sierra 90, holding short of whiskey, ready to taxi.
Volaris 9105, taxi Sierra 90 whiskey, and remain on my frequency. Report before Sierra 8 initially.
Okay, Sierra 90 whiskey, and we'll report at Sierra 8.
Yes, holding point Sierra 2 destination, and report before Sierra 8, please. Volaris 9105, you can taxi holding point Sierra 2, remain on my frequency.
We'll report Sierra 2, remain on frequency, Volaris 9105. Airbus Golf Tango 01.
Volaris 9105, all short of Sierra 2, switch with Blagnac Tower 118.1, have a very good flight.
Okay, and Sierra 2, hold short of runway and 118.1. Thank you, Volaris 9105.
Welcome.
Tower, Volaris 9105, Sierra 2, holding short of runway 32 left.
Volaris 9105, bonjour, from Sierra 2, runway 32 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 32 left, Volaris 9105.
Volaris 9105, runway 32 left, clear for takeoff, wind 220 degrees 2 knots.
Clear for takeoff, 32 left, Volaris 9105.
Negative, Volaris 9105, 125 is 1180.
125, 180.